3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Sweet coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we are learning Imagine by the great John Lennon. So I checked out a couple of videos when he was actually playing guitar on this song instead of piano with a band. So I'm gonna do a take of what he did on acoustic guitar. Alright, so standard tuning. We got C major. 1, 2, 3, let's go. We got C major 7. Lift up your first finger, make that C major 7. And then we got A over F, which sounds more like it should instead of just an F. So we got second fret first fret B, G, second fret F, third finger, and then A in the bass. The verse and the intro, and then we have the pre-chorus. Let's grab an F. Again, let's grab this F with the fifth in the bass, and then if you can, put your thumb on your on the low F if you can. Instead of jumping to this one, that can be hard and it doesn't sound that good. We can grab this F and add the bass. So we're going to use all the fingers, but it's no barring. So it's B, G, A, D, and then you add the thumb. And then we have A minor. 1, 2, 3. To D major. We want to grab this like this because we have another chord coming up that we need this finger. So that's 1, 2, and pinky. And then we want to grab a C over that chord. So third fret A string. To G major. To G7. G major, 1, 2, 3, and then G7, you add your first finger. And then string. First fret. Alright, from the top, 3, 4, C major. Chorus, F major, A minor, D minor, C over D, G major, G7, 2, and then we have the chorus, F major, then we can grab this one. He did that, full F major, and then to G, to C, and then E major, and put your pinky then after G major, a quick 4 on the low E string, so that's A flat. Walk up, grab C, strum C, and then play a G string, grab a 3 on E, low E, E string, 5, 7, C. So. Come on. G major to C, E, A flat, F major, G to C. So that's a little different take on the song, what I've seen in other guitar lessons. If you really want to learn that melody, that's 2 on G, 3 on G, and then open B string. So let's review everything before we end the lesson. Verses, C major 7 to A over F. A in the bass over F major. Okay, and then pre-chorus, grab this F, and then if you can, add the thumb. It sounds good with that low bass. A minor. This D minor, you gotta grab it like this, so you can hit the C here after that, and then G, G7, and then chorus, this F, G, C major, and then a quick E to A flat. Cool. Alright folks, I'll see you around. Thanks so much. See you with more lessons tomorrow. Take it easy.